Well, following Men's Health Month, we are hearing a lot about a new survey showing that many men are ducking out of doctor's appointments and aren't worried enough about their health overall. We've got Jeremy Tipton. He is a health benefits expert from Aflac joining us now. How are you?
I'm great. How are you, Elsa?
I'm doing well. So what are some of the main findings of this survey? What did Aflac find?
Sure. So we surveyed about 1,000 U.S. males around their awareness of health issues for men, the barriers and motivators of going to the doctor, and other actions associated with healthcare. One of the biggest disconnects, as you just mentioned from the survey, was that 90% of men in the survey said that they lead at least somewhat healthy lifestyle, yet only half those individuals actually went to the doctor in the last 12 months.
And so what were the barriers that men said prevented them from going to the doctor?
Well, I can say this because I am a man, but it's really negative perceptions or beliefs around the fact that the health challenges will heal themselves, that I don't have time to go to the doctor. And one of the bigger ones was that men feel less masculine for going to the doctor. But the big barriers are really around lack of education, around ailments and illnesses commonly associated with men, like cancers or heart disease. And also the high cost associated with medical care and the expenses associated with treatments and prescriptions.
So does anything motivate men to actually seek out medical care?
It does. And I'll go with the last one, financial help. 10% of men in the survey said that if they were paid to go get their yearly exam, that they would do so. And that excited us because at Aflac, we know the importance of early detection, and many of our policies pay cash benefits to the man who goes to the doctor and gets his health screening because it's important for those screenings to happen. But the big motivators from our side of things, or from the survey, was that the women in a man's life, or significant other or spouses, that really had the most say on motivating men to go to the doctor. And most importantly, men kept their health challenges from those significant others to keep from the arguments that ensue or the prodding to go to the doctor that the women in our life actually do for us.
Yeah, because we're going to nag them until they actually do it. So
You
it's
said
got to
nag,
get
not
done.
me.
I mean, it's the truth. It is the truth because it has to get done and we know it needs to get done. So, what did this survey find out about men and how they approached health during the pandemic? Was all that nagging worth it?
Well, we do believe that we saw a smaller percentage of men go to the doctor during the pandemic, and we've seen that across the industry. Having said that, though, men didn't go to the eye doctor or to the dentist either during this time. About the same percentage of men, half, went to those two doctors as well. And early detection is key, and the dentist and eye doctor are just as important as your normal doctor.
Got it. Okay. So, we know that early detection is key. You just mentioned that. But from an insurance perspective, we have to ask you, is there a financial benefit for establishing good, healthy habits early on in life so that it will actually be a financial benefit to us as well?
Sure. So, I mean, being healthy shouldn't start with getting sick. So, as I mentioned, we provide benefits to make sure those early detections and health screenings are actually happening at the doctor because it's important for everyone. It saves everyone dollars in the long run because once you have to go to medical treatment and that treatment persists, it costs everyone more money. So, it's important to get these early detections and to have those health checkups.
Got it. All right. So, where can we go for more information?
You can go to aflac.com/men's health for all the details on the survey. And you can also check out all the services and products Aflac has to offer.
All right. Jeremy Tipton, thank you so much for being with us. Really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.